Good morning students. I am Mahiuddin Khan. Today I am teaching you a science of class 7th. The second chapter, nutrition in animals. In this we study about steps, the process of nutrition, modes of nutrition in animals. We study about nutrition in amoeba, nutrition in paramecium and nutrition in hydra. Now I am going to taught you nutrition in insects. Nutrition in insects. All you know about what is nutrition, okay? In the previous videos I am telling you that about nutrition again and again. Now I am going to start nutrition in insects. Insects like houseflies, butterflies, mosquitoes suck the blood of human being or any other animals. Houseflies or butterflies or mosquitoes suck up their food in the form of blood or honeybee. The houseflies honeybee, mosquitoes suck up their food by in the form of a plants or in the form of a animals like blood or honey, etc. Houseflies in our house also, found in your house, any other housefly sits on the food. Where it sits? Houseflies sit on the food and give us a poisonous substance in human beings. Proboscis is found in their mosquitoes, houseflies or butterflies. What is proboscis? In Hindi we know about soond. It is hair like structure. Proboscis is found in mosquitoes, butterflies, honey also, honeybee also. The proboscis is found in mosquitoes, butterflies and honeybee. This proboscis help the suck their food in the form of a blood in human beings and in plants like a honey. It is secreted to the food of a flower. Enzymes in the saliva are also found. Enzymes in the saliva are present, which help to digest the food, Food is taken by the proboscis which is found in their mouth. Proboscis is also known as in Hindi like a soon in the form of a hair-like structure. The dissolved food is then sucked. This food is digested by the saliva. This is saliva. It is also found in our mouth. Saliva is also found in any other animals like buffaloes, cows, goats, etc. And proboscis also found in insects like houseflies, honeybee, mosquitoes, butterflies, etc. In the form, these saliva help in their digestion. Mosquitoes feed by piercing and sucking. Mosquitoes feed by piercing. The female mosquitoes feed on blood. The female mosquitoes feed on blood. Feed on blood. The female mosquitoes feed on blood like in human beings or any other animals. Only female mosquitoes, not a male mosquitoes. Male mosquito does not suck blood. Okay, only female mosquitoes suck their blood, our blood or any other animals through the skin. Through the skin. The outer structure of our body is found in skin. It is found beneath the skin. It is found fats. Okay. The mosquitoes suck the blood and insect their saliva in human beings or any other animals, and insect and inject their saliva inject their saliva. Then they suck the blood from the skin. After that they inject the saliva in human being or any other animals, and after that they suck the blood. Okay, then which is irritated in our body also. Butterflies suck the nectar from flowers through their proboscis. Butterflies, like butterflies suck the nectar from flowers. Butterflies suck the nectar from flowers. Butterflies suck the nectar from flowers through their proboscis. These butterflies suck the nectar from the flower with the help of their proboscis, which is found in their butterfly's mouth also present. This is a nutrition in insects. Now in next videos which I taught you nutrition in human beings. Okay, thank you.